Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to update your Emirates ID in the UAE Pass app. First, make sure your Emirates ID is valid and already renewed. Now open the UAE Pass app on your phone. On the home screen, sign in using your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Once you are logged in, look for your profile section. This is usually shown as your name or profile picture at the top of the screen. Tap on it to open your personal details. Inside your profile, you will see your basic information such as your name, Emirates ID number, and expiry date. If your Emirates ID has been renewed, but the old details are still showing, look for an option that says Update Information, Refresh Data, or Sync Details. Tap on this option. The app will now try to fetch your updated Emirates ID details from the government system. During this step, you may be asked to confirm your identity. This can be done by entering a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number or by using face verification through the camera. Follow the instructions on the screen carefully and stay still if face verification is required. After verification is complete, wait a few seconds while the app updates your data. Once done, you should see your new Emirates ID expiry date and updated information in your profile. Thanks for watching.